Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your perks with American Express, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your perks with American Express, start by logging into your American Express account. Once logged in, navigate to the Rewards or Membership Rewards section. Here, you will find an overview of available perks and rewards. Review the current perks you are utilizing to understand what you already have. Next, look for the option to upgrade your card or benefits. Check for any promotions or special offers that may be available for upgrading. Read the details of each upgrade option carefully, including any associated fees. Consider the value of the enhanced perks against your spending habits. Once you've chosen an upgrade, click on the corresponding link or button. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice and provide any necessary information. Review the terms and conditions before finalizing your upgrade. Confirm your selection and wait for an email confirmation from American Express. Once confirmed, immediately check your account for updated perks and benefits. If you have questions or need assistance, contact American Express customer service for help. Keep an eye on your account for new offers that match your upgraded perks. Enjoy your enhanced benefits and make the most out of your American Express experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.